How to make your own magnetic compass at home. Hello everyone, welcome to Exemplar Physics. A compass has a magnetic needle which always aligns in north-south direction. Let us make a compass of our own. For this, materials required are a tray, needle. This is just a normal needle which we use in our homes for seeing clothes. Let me focus it to you. Here is the eye of the needle and here is the pointed tip. So this is just a normal needle without any magnetic strength. So it does not attract the pin. Next, a safety pin to check the magnetic strength of this needle. Then bar magnet. Then some water, because we are going to make a wet compass. And I have taken just a sheet of toothpaste cover. Right, I have cut it. We'll see its use later. Let us keep it aside. Now first of all, we need to make this needle magnetic. For this, we need this bar magnet. As you know, the bar magnet has two poles. One is the north pole, the other one the south pole. It doesn't matter which pole is which. What we are going to do is just hold the bar magnet in such a way that one of the pole is exposing outside. In your another hand, hold the needle. Please be careful while holding the needle. Keep with the eye of the needle towards your hand and the tip, the pointed tip on the other side. Be very careful while using the needle. If you want, you can take the help of your parent. Now, I'm going to hold this needle like this, and the one pole which is exposed, which is there in my other hand, I'm going to rub on the needle like this. So the direction of rubbing has to be fixed. So I'm going to rub from left towards the right. So if I talk in terms of our needle, it is going to be from eye of the needle to the pointed tip. So let us repeat this process 25 times. Please count with me. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
25. Please remember, during this process, I did not change the pole of the magnet, nor did I change the direction of rubbing. It was always from left side to the right. Now let us check the strength of this needle. For this we need safety pin. So let's focus on the safety pin. Now see. The needle has become magnetic. So this is perfect for using as compass. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour water in the tray. Please do it carefully, do not spill on the table. So we have put water in the tray. Now this needle, being made up of iron, which has more density compared to the water, will sink if we put in water. So in order to make this needle float, I should increase the surface area of the needle. For doing that, we need this sheet. So this sheet I'm using to increase the surface area of the needle so that it would float. Let's see whether it floats or not. See, now it perfectly floats. Wait a minute, it is getting aligned in some direction. Can you guess which direction is that? Yes, north-south direction. So our compass is ready. Let's test it again. Please note the direction. So see that this is going to be the north-south direction. Let us put this in some other direction like this. Oh wow, it turns. So again it aligned itself in the same direction. Let us put this needle in reverse direction and let us see what happens. See there, the needle turns. Again it comes to the same direction. So that this direction is going to be the north-south direction. Let us check whether it is really north-south direction or not. For this, I am going to use my phone. I have a compass application in my phone. Let me focus it to you. So now see the direction north and now see our compass. Our compass is perfectly aligned in the north-south direction. Let us disturb our compass. See what happens. And keep an eye on the compass too. It deflects again and comes to the same north-south direction. So our compass is working. See how easy it is to make a compass. If you don't know how a compass works, I have made a video which is in the I button. Please watch that video too. If you have liked the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends and family members. I'm sure you don't want to disobey that astronaut. Bye bye.